What's your name, beta?
Varsha.
Lipi ma'am.
Lipi and Varsha. What's the topic of your model?
Effective waste management.
Effective waste management.
Technologies.
क्या कुछ है बेटा आपके मॉडल में?
मैम इसमें वेस्ट वाटर की ट्रीटमेंट है, कार्बन की प्योरिफिकेशन है और इथेनॉल का प्रोडक्शन है।
वर्किंग में है बेटा आपका मॉडल?
Yes ma'am.
यस मैम। बट इसको प्रिंसिपल मैम के सामने। As you can see this, that the impure water comes from the industry and it goes in this process in this container. And first step of our model is that screening of water. In screening of water, the waste materials like papers and stones are separated from water, and then it goes to second, which is oil screening. In this, oils are removed from water and then it's moved to coagulation. In this, the removal of solid waste takes place by charged particle manipulating, and then it goes to, now this goes to the fourth container in which chemical addition like chlorination, we add chlorination tablets in the water, then its water becomes pure and we can store it in tanks and move it to the all residential areas or house or anywhere to the plant. Now this is the second part of our model.
जैसे कि हमें पता है इंडस्ट्री में से निकलने वाले एयर में नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और मीथेन होती है। तो जो इंडस्ट्रियों से एयर निकलता है उसमें से जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है उसमें वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इस बेल्ट के थ्रू अब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है और वाटर में मिक्स हो जाती है, और वाटर में मिक्स होने के बाद ये कार्बोनिक एसिड बनाती है।
And as you can see the working of this model.
This is working of our model.
The conveyor belt absorbs our model. As you can see that there is a molasses of which is obtained from sugar cane, and when it got heated, we add water to make it dilute, and then add ammonium sulfate to make this solution, and this goes to the condenser and fermented, and it comes to the beaker
Conical flask,
and we obtain the ethanol, and ethanol is used as a biofuel which is very cost effective and make our environment pollution free.